Let's understand the word ambience. Ambience refers to the overall atmosphere, mood, or feeling of a place. It's the special quality that makes you experience comfort, calmness, excitement, or even mystery when you enter a space. Example 2. The dark clouds gave the old castle a frightening ambience. In this sentence, ambience means the scary and gloomy mood created by the setting. Now let's talk about some words that have a similar meaning. Atmosphere, mood, environment, aura. And now, a few opposite words. Dullness, lifelessness, plainness.